Let's dive into Adobe After Effects and craft a vibrant Eurovision title sequence in just 90 seconds. First, create a new composition and set the resolution to your preferred format, like Full HD 1920 by 1080. Adjust the duration to around 5 seconds for now. We can change that later. Name your comp Eurovision title. Next, let's add some color. Create a new solid layer and choose a vibrant background color that matches the Eurovision aesthetic, like a deep blue. Ensure it fills the entire composition. Now for the text, grab the type tool and type out Eurovision in all caps. Choose a bold, impactful font. Adjust the size and position of your text, making it the centerpiece of your design. Let's animate the text. Select a text layer and go to the animation menu and choose Text Animator under Animator 1. Let's add a position property. Slightly offset the Y value for a stylish starting animation. Then, add a second animator property such as Scale. Experiment with the scale values and adjust the range selector for a smooth fade-in animation. This could also be used for an explosive effect using scale. For the final touches, let's add visual effects to enhance the title. If you want, you can add a subtle glow effect using the effect panel and apply it to the text. Congratulations, you've just created a dynamic Eurovision-inspired title sequence in After Effects. Now go forth and create your own unique title sequence.